Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Vlogmas. We're here at Windsor Park Illuminated today for their new Christmas lights event. First year they're doing it. I'm looking forward to it. This is a Christmas present from this one, so...
Yeah, this is Nathan's Christmas present this year.
Thank you!
You're welcome. Hopefully it's,
yeah.
something you enjoy, because you're not getting anything to unwrap.
No, it's all good fun. This, it looks quite good. From the pictures I've seen of it, it looks amazing, so... Yeah, looking forward to checking it out. It's very cold, it's just been snowing on the drive up here. So yeah, I think some of the snow's settled, so it's making it feel a bit more Christmassy.
Yeah, we've had Christmas songs driving up, and like Nathan said, it's been snowing, so like, it's
felt good. It's cold. It's cold. So we're wrapped up warm. I've got my gloves, so he's lost his.
But I've got a hat on, a hood up.
Yeah. You're snug and warm, so yeah.
And Nathan's mum's scarf. Thank you.
So yeah, let's crack on with getting into Windsor Illuminated.
I wonder what they done with the floats from...
It's Rivers of Light!
Rivers of Light, that's it.
Rivers of Light floats over there. So we're just one section into the Windsor Illuminated thing. I enjoyed the first bit. It's quite cool, isn't it?
Very good.
One thing I was going to mention is that since we started the trail, literally maybe 10 minutes ago, there was a place to get hot drinks back there. There's also another one behind this present here. So yeah, so far so good. Definitely cold enough to need a hot drink.
Yeah, we've got thermals on as well, heat tech.
Yeah.
They're doing the job.
They are. It's cold, but yeah, we're not feeling it too bad just yet. So we've got some alcoholic drinks available. Mulled wine, I think it's supposed to say, not mull wine. Mull wine?
Lost a D.
Hot chocolate, which I think is what we're going to go for. Yeah, Bailey's in hot chocolate.
Hot apple. It says hot apple there.
Yeah, it's hot apple.
It might be like cider, is it? Hot, is that the thing? Hot apple cider?
No idea. Wine, ciders, cocktails, ocktails. Again, I think it's lost a C. We've lost a D and we've lost a C. We've lost
our CDs. It's because we're all on MP3s and Spotify now.
That was terrible. Yeah, prices don't seem bad for an event.
Yeah, it's a kind of typical event.
Yeah, kind of the price you'd pay at for the hot chocolate's kind of, it cost your Starbucks. A bit cheaper than that, but yeah, could be worse. Let's get hot chocolate, let's warm up, continue on with the light trail behind the caravan. So we've got ourselves hot chocolates to warm up.
Got marshmallows on as well.
Yummy.
Look at the Christmas tree. It's got all snow on it. Real snow. No fake snow needed here. Real snow.
Real snow. Right, first weekend of the event and they get snow. Perfect. Even if it is a little dusting, it's not as much as
needed.
It is exactly. What's it exactly? Exactly. Not as much as they've got up north.
No. Oh, no.
No, sore subject with a few of our viewers. So yeah, Gaz and Ange, we're thinking of you. Stuck there in the cold with no power. Yeah. I'm sorry, guys. This hot drink's for you.
You're so evil.
I've just been called evil by Zoe. It's sent with all the love in the world. This one's for you. you've all come to watch. He's the star of the show. I mean, you don't come to watch me, you come to watch that.
Yeah, only because I'm not released. Well, I'm doing Vlogmas, but other
Ish.
than that. Making myself sound really big-headed now. Sorry.
I mean, it's the first few vlogs you put out of the year.
Few years, yeah. Yeah. And it's December.
Same again next year? Nothing with the whole year, December, it'll start again?
Probably.
This section is very cool. Very cool.
This
It's
is my favourite so far.
Yeah. It's literally just lasers and smoke.
I'm in a bit away from the smoke.
It's so cool. Even in the bushes, look. It's like there's like fireflies in the bushes.
It makes it twinkle like fireflies. Yeah.
Yeah. Really, really cool. So we've reached just past the halfway point. We've got a stand that do crepes. They've got toilets, they've got fire. Oh, maybe.
I'm wondering if they're doing s'mores. Look,
Marshmallow
there's a fire
toasting.
pit with people.
I reckon there might be. You know?
Unless it's just for warmth, but.
Should we go have a look? So we've got all different crepes here. We've got mulled wine and cocktails and mince pies. They are. Maybe. Oh no, it's just for warmth.
Oh, look at them though.
They're cute.
Like trees and deer and. there's a bunny
Oh
rabbit.
dear. So we have Rivers of Light over there. We've got Phantasmic here now. There's Phantasmic. So far hasn't a Phantasmic night.
Rivers of Light also had.
It does!
Yeah. That's what happened to the Rivers of Light. It comes.
Literally got moved here. And that's going to do it for us here at Windsor Illuminated. I've had a great time.
It's been really
Yeah,
good.
the lasers were probably my favourite bit.
Yeah.
That rainbow walkway was pretty cool as well. But yeah, I've enjoyed the whole thing. It's been pretty good. I probably shouldn't ask this, but how much was it?
I don't actually know.
It's a bit rude of me to ask how much my Christmas present was, but I want to say when I looked it was about 25 quid.
No, it's cheaper than that.
Oh, cheaper than that.
Oh, only just.
24.99.
24.50.
Oh,
And then parking is £7 per car.
okay, so tonight's cost us 57 quid. About that. Plus hot chocolate, so 60 quid. So it's worth it.
Yeah.
it was a nice Christmas evening. It's put us in the festive spirit.
Yeah. Probably only like do one a year.
Yeah.
It's quite pricey, but all the other ones are similar prices. So.
They are, and this one is still got tickets available.
Yeah.
Whereas a lot of the others have sold out months ago.
Yeah.
I went, as you might have seen on my channel, I went to Wisley Glow last year. I think this definitely trumps that. You went to Bedgebury, didn't you?
Yeah,
in Kent?
I'd say Bedgebury's slightly better, but there's things here that were still like wow, like the laser show. Yeah, for me, I think Bedgebury's just got the edge, but they've been doing it years, so. Yeah,
and this is the first year Windsor Illuminated have done it, so yeah, maybe come back next year, see what they've changed. I'm sure they'll learn a lot from this year. But yeah, we're just at the exit now. We've got a not Ferris wheel, merry-go-round carnival thingy, I don't know what it's called, you know what I mean. That thing there, it's going round. There's a teepee which looks like it's got some heaters or something inside it, and they've got some stalls that sell pizza, cafe in the park, and burgers as well. So yeah, something to grab at the end of your evening. Yeah, that is going to do it. It has been good. I've enjoyed it. Thank you very much for my Christmas present.
You're welcome.
It's been good fun.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Merry Christmas to you too.
Just call me Santa.
Ho ho ho. Yeah, that's going to do it for this Vlogmas video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed it, be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. If you want to follow me on social medias, Twitter is @NathanStaker1, Instagram is @NathanStaker, and Facebook is NathanStaker1997. If you want to email me, it's nathan.staker@gmail.com. If you want to check out Zoe's channel, she's down there doing something.
I'm trying to make a snowball, but I'm not.
There's not enough snow for that. Thanks for that, Zoe. If you want to check out Zoe's channel, it's The British Life. On socials, British Life UK.
Yeah.
I don't know, she doesn't know her own socials, so I'm not going to ask her. I've learned that lesson already. But yeah, go check out Zoe's channel. She's got a montage video, and probably to Feels Like Christmas. Yeah, it'll be up on her channel, so go and check that out. But yeah, that's going to do it until the next Vlogmas video.
Show them all the snow on the bank.
The snow!
It's so tempting, I just want to reach it, but there's a fence.
There is a fence and it's digging into my bag, so that'll do it. We shall see you real soon. Bye guys.